Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna draw a realistic eye. For this drawing, I have used these things. First, I started with the lighter shade B pencil. For blending, I'm using paper stamps. I'm going to shade layer by layer so that it looks more realistic. For dark places like pupil, I'm using 8B pencil. It is too dark. If you have 6B pencil or 10B, it is enough. For next layering, I'm using 3B as well as 5B pencils. Hey friends, if you are new to my channel, I'm Kavipriya. This video is a tutorial video and it will be very useful for beginners. Hope you like this. Enjoy this video, friends. For highlights, I'm using whitener. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.